So we're going to try this out. We're going to put this pizza wood into that trailer using the ZW50 Hitachi loader with the pallet forks. Got it strapped into the headache rack on it. This is exactly one face cord of wood. I'm going to try this times 5 and see what happens. I'm by myself too, so we'll see how it goes. This is my first time trying it. As you can see, that strap is fairly brand new. I've seen Jim Barry did this with his kiln dried firewood. Alright, let's see it. Oh, that's some of it anyway. No, I could definitely see the use for maybe 2 straps, or maybe I should put that one a little bit lower. It seems to be dropping on me. Oh well, it sure beats hand bombing it anyway. Well, there you go. We're going to try this 5 more times. Hopefully I get better at it. So this is the second box. So we're going to try something a little bit different because the bottom kind of just slipped right out of it. Not a very good scene. But you can see we had it up here. And we came around. I brought it underneath this part. Went around and back up. That seemed to have levered it up. So now I moved it down to the bottom, went underneath, went over. I'm kind of pulling it downwards instead of the opposite. So we're going to try this and see how it goes. Hopefully she holds on. No, they're slipping out again. Not nearly as bad as the last time. Maybe we can try lowering it again. So here we are on box number 3. As you can see, the strap runs up above that crossbar, comes down towards the bottom, and you got it tied in underneath that part. If it doesn't work, then maybe I just got to strap it from the bottom. If that doesn't work, then I'll probably need a second strap so that there's 2 of them holding it and not just the one trying to balance the entire box. So here we go. 3rd time's a charm. Probably spoke too soon. Oh, it seems to be better so far. Oh no, there it goes, sliding out again. Right at the bottom there. Oh, you can really tell. This might be a better view. But it seems like the bottom keeps sliding out. So maybe if we just strap right from the very bottom, maybe we'd probably be okay. Alright, maybe 4th time's the charm. So 3rd time didn't work very well. That actually worked out worse than the rest. Somehow the whole thing flipped down, and I don't know. I should have stopped and videoed the aftermath of it. Kind of hard when you're by yourself, but anyways. So we lowered it right to the bottom. I'm holding it up. I hope it doesn't come down. Like I don't know where else to hold this thing from. Like I don't know. I guess we'll try it again. 4th time's a charm? Oh, crap. Probably spoke too soon again. Should have just shut my mouth and tried it. It probably would have worked great. I kind of like the cages better. This might be just a one-time thing. We didn't have cages when we stacked this up about 3 weeks ago. This stuff has been, it's all 100% maple. All split perfectly for pizza store out in Sudbury. And it's been here for almost a year now. Been sitting in these white bags over here. And when he called and said he's going to be ready for it soon, we take it out of those bags and make sure the moisture is good. And we stack it up in these racks and cover it when it rains or snows. I can see it starting to slip out already. You still got the, you can see the one side there. Hasn't even moved yet. I don't know, maybe if we go right from the very bottom up to, no, we tried that last time, didn't we? Dang it. Seems to be I don't know, a couple more pieces there. One piece just doesn't want to go. Well, here, let's try it this way then. I'm pretty stubborn myself. Probably be a lot easier to get that one piece if I would just you know. There we go. I could have saved all that hassle if I would have just put the cage down. But I don't know, I guess the lower you hold it, the better it is. When only using one strap. Really, I should have 2 straps in there. But yeah, that was probably the most successful out of the 4. And now we get to try one more cage. So I'll get that set up and we'll show you. If you like this sort of stuff, please hit that like button. This would be a good time to maybe hit the like button and subscribe. We got a lot of pretty cool, exciting equipment coming in soon. Well, here we go, 5 out of 5. This 4th one worked much better than the first one. Better than the second one. Better than the third one. Actually, that third one I think was the worst one. Spoke way too soon on that one, I guess. But yeah, here we go. Last one. Trying it the same way we did number 4. Got it strapped in near the bottom. Hey, thanks again there, Jake from Dude Ranch DIY. That is probably the greatest way to set the tail on your straps instead of watching them drag down the highway or get underneath these big tires under here and just rip everything apart. But yeah, here we go. Remember, if you like this sort of stuff, please like and subscribe. Lots more to come. Lots of innovative ideas and things we're going to be trying out. Learn quite a bit from people like us. Like, I watch a lot of videos and different things that everybody else is trying out. Do my own little twist on things. Oh yeah, we're gonna do this again, are we? One piece that just does not want to come out. And there it goes. Still pretty stubborn. But yeah, I say the lower you hold it, the better it seems to be. Just as long as the rest of your rack is in decent shape and doesn't fall apart, all will be well. Oh, here we are over at Roma Pizzeria on Paris, out in Sudbury, Ontario. They haven't been using fucking Firewood since 1894, but the last couple of years they've been using us. Let's go take a walk inside and see how my Pizzeria is going. I think that's my Pizzeria he's making there now. There's the authentic Italian oven. Oh, here we are at Roma Pizzeria on La Salle in Sudbury. It's starting to snow now, but we're going to unload this. There you go. 5 cords of maple dumped out. Love that sound of that nice dry wood. One of the best things about delivering to this place is that while I'm here, I get one of these. Oven fire pizza. Fueled by bucking firewood.